tree, so tall and green. Little monkey smiling, bright and keen. Banana in hand, he's full of cheer. Morning sun is shining clear. Hop from branch to branch so high. Monkey jumps and touches sky. Leaves go swish and birds all sing. It's a happy jungle spring. Colorful butterfly flying near. Monkey giggles full of cheer. Round and round he runs in glee. What a funny sight to see. Oops, he slips into the stream, splashing water like a dream. All the fish say, what's that sound? Monkey's laughing, rolling round. Shake, 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 the water flies. Drops of sparkle in his eyes. Rabbit claps and parrot too. Funny monkey, we love you. Basket sitting on the ground. Monkey peeks and looks around. What's inside? Let's take a peek. Adventure time, let's go this week. Sandwich here and apples there. Monkey dancing everywhere. He takes a bite and smiles so wide. Yummy food makes joy inside. Sitting softly on a stone. Monkey eats but not alone. Sunlight glows and breezes play. Happy tummy, happy day. Comes walking near. Monkey smiles and shares his cheer. Gives a fruit and pats his head. Kindness spreads where love is fed. Evening falls, the sky so bright. Monkey waves in golden light. Bye bye friends, I'll come again. Till tomorrow, jungle train.
Where are you watching from? Please tell me in the comments.